Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Envato Elements desktop app, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Envato Elements desktop app, begin by locating the app on your device. If you're using Windows, click on the Start menu in the bottom left corner. Type Control Panel into the search bar and press Enter. In the Control Panel window, find and click on Programs. Next, select Programs and Features. This will bring up. Scroll through the list until you find the Envato Elements app. Once you find it, click on it to highlight it. Then, click the Uninstall button located at the top of the window. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation process. If you're using a Mac, click on the Finder icon in your dock. In the Finder window, go to the Applications folder. Scroll down to locate the Envato Elements app. Once you've found it, right-click or control-click on the app's icon. Select Move to Trash from the drop-down menu. To completely remove the app, right-click on the trash icon in your dock. Choose Empty Trash to permanently delete the app from your computer. Once you have completed these steps, the Envato Elements desktop app will be uninstalled from your device. Make sure to restart your computer to ensure all changes take effect. After the restart, check to confirm that the app has been successfully removed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.